Yo, what's up homies, how y'all doing? Welcome to my ultimate Arch Linux productivity system. Here's an overview of how this video finna go down. Part 1, the core, Part 2, the apps, Part 3, the virtualization, and last but not least, Part 4, the philosophy. Side note, this is not a tutorial video, so please don't expect any detailed explanations of terms, likewise a kernel in its system. Instead, this video serves as a simple demonstration of the tools and apps I use every day. And of course, before we begin, as a matter of fact, I have been using Arch since 2022. In my Arch system, I got two kernels. The main one is Linux Zen, a based optimized kernel which I highly recommend. And if I must clarify why I am using it, the answer is straight up 3 words: single GPU pass-through. The Zen kernel features an ACS and for my secondary kernel is Linux LTS, long-term support. Next up, the bootloader. I rely on Grub because it works and the fact that I can manage kernel parameters easily. In its system, I run the default option, which is systemd. If you want OpenRC, use Artix Linux. As for the shell, once again, I use the default option, which is bash. Display server, I'm running X11. Display manager, I use none because frankly speaking, display managers are an extreme form of bloat. My comfort zone is, without complication, a TTY, login, password, and I type start X to get into my graphical environment. Simple as that. Window manager, I use BSPWM complemented by Polybar for a sleek status bar and SXHKD for efficient key bindings. To enhance the visual experience, I use PyCom as my compositor, providing transparency and shadows. For wallpapers, I use Nitrogen and my fonts are JetBrains Mono, font awesome. We kick this section off with internet browsers. I use 3, Brave, Thorium, and LibreWolf, with LibreWolf being my top choice for privacy and performance. To safeguard my system, I rely on UFW as my firewall. For file management, on the GUI side, I use Nemo and Dolphin, and on the terminal side, I use Ranger. When it comes to text editing, I embrace Vim because minimalism and Sublime Text Editor for its user-friendly interface. My terminal emulator of choice is XFCE4 Terminal. For capturing screenshots, I use FlameShot, a versatile tool that allows for quick and easy image captures. To monitor system performance, I employ HTOP, bPyTop, and NVTop, giving me real-time insights into resource usage. For viewing PDFs, I use Zatula. For documents, I work with LibreOffice, which is an outstanding software. To customize the appearance of my system, I use LX Appearance for GTK Teams and Qt5CT for Qt applications. Forget about VirtualBox, it's a very limited hypervisor for advanced virtualization needs. Instead, I have adopted the following virtualization stack: libvirt, KVM, QEMU, Virt Manager. This stack gives me the access to achieve single GPU pass-through to run a fast Windows 10 virtual machine for Premiere Pro. I also use virtualization to run multiple Linux VMs for the sake of privacy and to prevent digital footprints, while keeping my main machine clean when I want to test something new. The philosophy of Arch Linux revolves around simplicity and minimalism. Here's what you get when you install Arch Linux: a black screen, a TTY, and that's it. From there you build your system however you like, according to your terms and conditions. This is what makes Arch my ultimate productivity machine.